kind of published after the 18 months. Okay. So, that publication, once that publication happens, your patent is coming into the public domain. Till that nobody knows what exactly you have filed. Okay. Next is like a request for examination. Previously for request of examination, please note this change actually, if new filing anybody is doing, previously it was 48 months time was given for the request for examination. Now with the amendments it is reduced to 31 months only. So, if we miss, what will happen again? You are losing out on the patent, your patent will not be examined and it will come into public domain without examination, and anybody can use that particular patent, okay, that whatever invention is. Okay. So, you have to be very careful that you have to file the request for examination. Okay. Next is like a first examination report, although I have written here 54 months, now the cycle is reduced, and probably like before that you will get the request of that FER, first examination report, and then the grant of a patent will happen within 66 months, but again that timeline